Tired of annoying ads popping up while browsing or using apps on your Android phone? You're not alone, and luckily, there's a hidden trick inside your settings that can block most of those ads without needing to install any extra apps. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it in seconds, so stay with me till the end to make sure it's done right and you're fully protected. First, grab your Android phone and swipe up to access your app drawer. Now, open the Settings app. Once you're in Settings, tap on Connections right at the top. Next, scroll all the way down and tap on More Connection Settings. Here's where the magic happens. Tap on Private DNS. You'll see a few options. Choose Private DNS Provider Hostname. Now in the text field that appears, type exactly this: dns.adguard.com. That's dns.adguard.com. No typos. This private DNS will block ads system-wide, including inside some apps and while you browse. Once typed in, tap Save or Done, and that's it. You've successfully blocked ads without installing any third-party app. To confirm it's working, try opening a website that usually shows a lot of ads. You'll notice it's much cleaner and loads faster. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if you have any questions and let me know what topics you'd like me to cover next. Hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this.